my guest friends.
Hello, my guest friend.
So we've come to the hotel in Wuxi. Came from Suzhou.
Dude, this is the best. This is the best hotel room we've been in. We just got in here.
By far the best.
The reason why, I'll show
Wait,
you.
wait. We'll come to that. First, we gotta do. There's the beds.
Okay, let's see how these beds are.
Cool beds. Check it out. Oh, it seems more pillowy.
Dude, it's
Is it?
like.
Is it cool? Anyway, we got a chair. It's probably shit. I'm just gonna guess that it is. We got this big old mirror here. Oh, check it out. We can look at ourselves in the mornings. We got a decent view. I mean, there was fireworks going off just a minute ago, so that was neat.
The TV turned on right when we got in, by itself. I turned it off.
TV that actually works well. Oh man, what else we got here?
Oh, hold on, we didn't do the hallway light yet.
Yeah. Let's go in the hallways. There you go. Light her up. Light it up. I said light it up, Carrie.
There's no.
Those outlets. Okay, lights don't work in here. Okay, anyway, favorite part.
Your favorite part is this bathroom, yo.
Oh.
This is the reason why. Look at this. Boom.
Check this out. Turn it on.
Oh shit. Oh, I'm not turning it. Oh my god, I didn't even see this.
I know, that's what I was saying,
What?
man. As the rainfall or waterfall, whatever it's called.
I can look at this. Oh, do not. I don't really like that.
Stare at yourself.
That's the one thing I don't like. There's no curtain.
Oh, well. I mean, do you use a curtain when you take a bath?
You want to take a bath?
Yeah.
Want to take a shower? Yeah.
Well, there's no shower in there.
Oh, that's right, it's right there. Oh! Wow, my mind just got blown. Look, they got a cool scale on this one.
Yeah.
Do they have any shampoo and body wash?
Ooh.
Oh.
What do they got?
They have.
Whoa, fancy.
I think it's relaxing shower gel, shampoo, but no conditioner yet again.
I'm excited for a shower, man. Yeah, buddy. Well, I guess that's pretty much the whole room, right?
Yeah, but this
happy?
bathroom is. Oh, dude, I don't want to leave this. This is sick.
We probably should have ordered in tonight and hung out.
I got the robes.
Yeah.
Who cares, dude?
But yeah, we told everybody we'd come out
I made like a big plan.
for a little bit of food and drink. But yeah, so now on to our review of the day.
Sick.
All right.
What's that?
So review for today.
It was
Activities.
day 6.
Day 6.
We were in Suzhou.
Suzhou. And
It's the Oriental Venice. That's what they call it.
Yeah. So first we started the day off with the soap factory.
Silk factory.
Which was, I mean, I thought it was pretty neat. I mean, we got a whole spiel at the beginning, just trying to like sell us on buying these silks. But yeah,
She was hilarious.
yeah, she was great. So yeah, she definitely got her money's worth out of that because a lot of spot stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But anyways, after she gave her little spiel, we went back and we checked out the like how they make the silk, or like how they get the silk from the silkworms.
Which they get it from the cocoon, which I didn't know.
Yeah.
It's they make the silk cocoon around themselves, and then they extract.
Yeah, they just extract the pupa, and then just spread out the cocoon, and I guess weave it. I don't know what they do exactly. Fireworks are going off again. Yeah, then we went through. It was pretty much like a museum, going through and checking out how the silk is made. And then we got to the shops. First stop was the bedding type stuff, which everything looked fantastic, felt fantastic.
It was wonderful.
It was pretty cool.
They had a package.
They had a package deal.
It's called the G20 package.
G20.
Where it was the mattress cover, sheets, all silk. Everything was silk. Mattress cover, sheets, comforter, 2 pillows, pillowcases, and it's the larva poo that it's like in this sealed pouch that you can stick in your pillow. You can either heat it up or cool it down, and it's supposed to help with sleeping and everything. They had a deal for get all that for $500 American.
Yeah. So Gilly here
I got it.
got himself a package.
I got paid yesterday, so
Yeah.
I
So
was like, why not?
I mean, I am kind of jealous because we're gonna go home and he's gonna set that up on his bed. And,
I did need, in my defense, I needed new sheets.
oh man,
So what better way than silk, baby?
that's gonna be great. Okay, well, yeah, and that was pretty much it for the.
Oh, and I bought 4 pair of underwear too.
Oh yeah, can't forget the underwear.
Silk underwear.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be sliding in my bed.
And after that, we got back on the bus and we headed to
The river canal.
the canal.
The Grand Canal cruise.
Grand Canal cruise was pretty cool. I thought, like, because they were saying, like, how Marco Polo claimed Suzhou to be, like, the Venice of the East. I was thinking, like...
It was like a gondolier.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. I was thinking it was going to be like a gondolier and us just getting like, paddle down a canal.
Yeah, like some guy with a big pole pushing, saying Bella Notte, like that.
Yeah, something like that. But no, that wasn't it. So that was a lot of fun. The guys like, working on there was cool. Like we were sitting in the back, and one of the operators were sitting back there with us, and he was just like tapping me on the shoulder, like pointing to the cool things that I should get videos of. So that was really neat.
Yeah, he did that with me too.
So that was neat. I had a great experience doing that. And then
they also said that Suzhou produced some of the prettiest ladies with the fairest skin, and if you touch it, you could tell how smooth it was and how soft. And I was waiting for that part of the tour where we got to touch faces. We never did.
Yeah, I mean,
Don't tell us about it if we're not going to be able to do it.
I'm a little bummed out about that.
Yeah. I'm touching the face this trip.
Yeah.
Not yours.
Next, we got back on the bus, drove all the way to Wuxi,
About 30, 40 minutes.
and then we stopped to see the Buddha. That was
Awesome.
incredible. So apparently she was saying that it was like that whole park was built 20 years ago.
Yeah. And I thought she said something about like it burnt down after the first year.
Yeah, yeah.
And they rebuilt it.
Yeah, we climbed all the way to the top and we touched the toe
the foot of Buddha.
Foot of Buddha. Yeah.
And the toenail was like about what would you like 50 times bigger than our hands.
Yeah,
It was huge.
It was like,
I don't know how
It was
tall.
crazy.
If you know how tall 80 meters is, then you'll understand how big it was.
oh, is that how tall she said it
Yeah,
was?
80 meters.
80 meters. Yeah, that was awesome. I enjoyed that a lot.
You know, they had a musical fountain there.
Oh yeah. Yeah. They had a fountain show, which we, like, I got to it like maybe when it was midway through the show. So I got a nice little time lapse of that show. But yeah, it was just like it had a lotus on top of the fountain, on top of the statue, like which opened up and showed the golden Buddha inside, and the Buddha just slowly turned around as the water was squirting up, and every so often, like I guess there's like a musical key that initiated it. It was just like these geyser bursts up onto the lotus, and it just mist everywhere and everybody in the area. And I mean, I thought that was super cool.
Yeah,
That was a neat
it
show.
says it plays out the story of the birth of Buddha.
Yeah, which I didn't. I was in the back of the fountain. Maybe that happened in the front, but it just looked like a bunch of water squirting onto a statue to me. But
But
it was awesome.
it was in Chinese too, so you can really.
Oh, right.
And I got there too, and just as I got my phone out to take a picture, the show ended.
Yeah.
I went like this, and it did. Zoop. It was done.
But anyway, so we're here in Wuxi. Got some plans for tonight. Go out to eat and maybe do some karaoke or something and get some drinks. All right, later.